When I was, God was not. Now that God is, I am not. Darkness disappears when the lamp is lit. A drop merges into the ocean, everyone knows this. But rare is the one who realizes when the ocean merges into the drop. Do not be proud of your wealth, youth, and status. Time will wash everything away in a moment. Look within yourself, the whole world is inside you. The one who seeks outside wanders, the one who looks within finds everything. What is the use of reading scriptures if you do not cleanse your heart? If you want to find the truth, do not waste time in arguments, just dive deep within. The one who sees himself clearly will see God clearly. Why do you seek temples and mosques? The divine is right within you. You have wandered in many lifetimes, now is the time to awaken and see the truth. Love is like a fire, once it ignites, it burns away everything impure. True love is not found in words, it is felt in the silence of the heart. Where there is love, there is God. If you want to experience divine love, remove the barriers of ego. A heart filled with devotion does not need a temple or a mosque. Love is not about possession, it is about surrender. The one who loves truly sees no difference between self and others. If you love God, then love all beings. Devotion is not about rituals, it is about surrendering your ego. Without love, even the biggest offerings are worthless. Books and scriptures cannot give you wisdom, only self-experience can. True knowledge is not in words, it is in silence. A wise person listens more and speaks less. Do not blindly follow traditions, seek the truth yourself. The greatest knowledge is knowing that you know nothing. An ignorant person sees faults in others, a wise person corrects himself. Silence is the language of the wise. A person may be educated, but if he lacks humility, he is still ignorant. Knowledge is not about gathering facts but about understanding life. The one who knows himself knows everything. The moment you think you are great, you fall. Be as humble as a blade of grass, and God will dwell in you. The highest wisdom lies in humility. A person full of ego is like a pot full of water, nothing more can enter. Bow down, and you will rise high. A true saint does not seek respect, he only seeks truth. The greater your pride, the further you are from God. The wise do not argue, they only smile and walk away. Be like the tree that bears fruit, always bending down with humility. The more you empty yourself, the more the divine can fill you. Whatever you sow, that you shall reap. Speak only those words that will not bring regret later. Do not delay good deeds, for time waits for none. Serve others, and you will serve yourself. Good deeds are never wasted, they return at the right time. If you waste today, do not expect a better tomorrow. A person's true wealth is his actions, not his possessions. Work hard but do not be attached to the result. Do not wait for the right time is now. One who does good never needs to fear the future. Speak the truth, even if no one listens. A lie may shine for a moment, but the truth shines forever. The greatest wealth is truth. A truthful heart needs no proof. The one who stands by the truth stands by God. Lies give temporary happiness, but truth gives eternal peace. Do not fear the truth, fear living a lie. Even if the whole world deceives you, do not deceive yourself. Speak the truth, but speak it with kindness. A single moment of truth is worth more than a lifetime of lies. Time is like a river, it never flows back. What you have today may be gone. Tomorrow, use it wisely. The body is temporary, but the soul is eternal. Do not waste your time chasing things that will not last. Every breath is a gift, do not waste it in anger and greed. Death is not far, so live with awareness. Life is a dream, awaken before it ends. What you build today will turn to dust tomorrow. Do not postpone goodness, tomorrow may never come. Every moment is precious, spend it in love and wisdom. Silence is the true meditation. The more you talk, the further you move from wisdom. Be still, and the truth will reveal itself to you. The mind is restless, but the soul is always at peace. If you wish to understand, learn to listen. A calm mind sees the world clearly. The ocean is deep because it is silent. Do not seek peace outside, it is within you. A restless person can never find happiness. Happiness is not in things, it is in contentment. Drop your ego, and you will find God. The more you surrender, the closer you get to the divine. God does not ask for offerings, He asks for your heart. The simplest prayer is a heart full of love. Do not seek God in temples and mosques, seek Him in your heart. The one who loves all beings loves God. Surrender is the highest devotion. When you lose yourself, you find God. True worship is in serving others. A heart full of gratitude is the best prayer. Do not be trapped by the illusions of this world. What you see is not real, what is real cannot be seen. Desire is the root of all suffering. Wealth and fame cannot give lasting happiness. Simplicity is the key to true joy. Do not chase the mirage of happiness, find peace within. Nothing in this world belongs to you, everything is borrowed. The one who lets go finds true freedom. If you want to be happy, stop seeking happiness. The highest joy is in knowing yourself.